When you think about the Spaniards and the Portuguese and the over 100 million people that were killed, do you see that as a tragedy of history, or is it just the way of history?
I think that the epidemics, I consider it a tragedy. That did not have to happen. And that was not, that was not a fair fight. Nobody knew what to do about it. There was just a tragic, perfect storm of events. It was not, I think that the Spanish and the Portuguese get unfairly maligned in what's been called the Black Legend, that they just marched into America and murdered everyone. That's not the fact. It was the diseases that murdered everyone. In fact, there was a really poignant story I read of a Spanish priest in the Amazon, in the Brazilian northern part of the Amazon, where he made this utopian community. And he was bringing people in that were getting sick. And he wrote, I'm baptizing everyone. I have baptized 10,000 people a day. And yet God's still killing them. Why is he doing this to them? They're doing everything that I asked them to do. They are submitting to the will of God. But this guy doesn't realize that the same bowl of holy water that he's baptizing them in, he's just wiping the disease on everybody's faces. He's accelerating it when he doesn't even realize. He thinks he's saving them, but he's actually killing them.
Yeah.
That's a tragedy. That's not just like spoils go to the victor stuff. That's just straight up tragedy.
Yeah. Yeah, but that one is even hard to know what to do with, like Black Death. Infections, they don't operate on normal human terms, right? They just go through entire populations.